I live a life of. I know who. Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? I know who I live a life of. I'm a walking, living, a living miracle. Okuva mu kyalo eyo n'osobola okukyera. Could you repeat after me? I know. Bishop School. My school. Bishop School. The school of our times. My Lord Bishop. My Lord Bishop. Oh no, thank you. Thank you. Hello, Chito Kagudo and Mama, Catherine. Bishop Emeritus. Bishop James William Sebagala. And indeed excited that throughout over the 20 secondary schools you have, you came to a conclusion that I could have a contribution to make onto this mighty school. I don't take that for granted. I'm indeed humbled. I don't have much, a lot of learning, observations, before I could come up with exclamations and the learning process. So I'll be as brief as possible. I want to appreciate you, my Lord Bishop, for having chosen me amongst many. I want to appreciate the government of Uganda for having approved the appointment. I want to appreciate the Board of Governors for having accepted me. Many times, choices are made and rejections are made at one point. That is where the problem begins. There has been a smooth process through. Mr. Nkaivu, thank you so much for the guidance and all that you're still doing. My Lord Bishop, allow me mention, in absentia, let me appreciate some head teachers that came to stand with us, came to witness this ceremony. I invited and they indeed honored our invitation. Due to busy schedules, they were here halfway. With us, we had in there, those who were not here, we had head teacher of Old Kampala, serving as a deputy here, Madame Dorothy Kabanda. We had Madame Agatha Senyonjo, head teacher at Lubiri Senior Secondary School. She came to bless the occasion. We also had Lake Canon, David Senkungu, head teacher Ndeje Senior Secondary School. And to lead the team, Grace Nantaja, the head teacher, Mengo Senior Secondary School. Those are the networks I could think of as I'm coming in, and I believe they can be of great importance to support me and the team that we're going to join in moving this institution to greater heights. Because if you want to be a giant, you move with. If you stand on the wings of giants, then you can be a giant tomorrow. I believe those are the associates best for this mighty school. They will always give us guidance, and according to your counsel, which you took very seriously, my Lord Bishop, we pledge to do excessive consultations before making any key decisions. The SAID team and the other teams around. I want to appreciate Mukono Kohea Fraternity Our team has been here. Present now is none other than our own, the President. Respectful and cooperative environment in order to move this institution to greater heights. It was deliberate when I said Bishop of our school, Bishop my school, and Bishop of our times. My Lord Bishop, God being my shepherd, I will heavily rely on 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 10, carefully building on a strong foundation. Bearing in mind that my brother Robert has brought a very strong legacy, and those that came before him, my predecessors, I'm very mindful. I'm very mindful, and the counsel you've given, kamanga yemubezi tunafuba okutambulira mu ebyo by'otulambise. A team supporting one another and holding ourselves to the highest standards. Like you supported Robert, I expect the same support. Abagambye bamukyala mumpanirire nti okutambula ate tubuuke, so that we can create Bishop School of our times, building on a strong foundation so that we achieve Bishop School of our times. Thank you so much for entrusting us with your children. I pledge open communication, transparency, and partnership in managing this institution. Together, we will nurture young people who will make you proud. My leadership is not going to teach. It is going to make people think. Hello? Somebody is grumbling and our communication is being made. People think. That is the new curriculum. To my dear students, my beloved students, hello, hello. You are the heart of Bishop School. I expect discipline, hard work, and mutual respect. Dream boldly, but remember that your success demands effort, consistency, and good character. Leadership among you is service, not a status. Together with all the stakeholders of our times, I want to thank again all the stakeholders and the teams are present. Bishop School, here I come, Bishop School of our times. The Lord being my shepherd. May the Lord bless you.
The situation is a bit low, but I just want to request you one thing, to give us some few more minutes. Before he comes, I want to appreciate you all.